Good morning. Good morning, Adele, Dalia, and Asma. This short video, in order to solve a problem we have in increasing number of requests, which is not a problem its own, but how to deal with it and how in fast and giving the itinerary and giving the code. So I talked before about the Real Egypt catalogs and having this itinerary on the internet and having ready-made code for it. I already finished Cairo part and some other destinations as well, but today I added 4 itineraries for Real Egypt, for all Egypt tours. So the 4 itineraries, you will find that on this folder, all Egypt programs, right here, and already added the link to the I added the link to the Trello, which is I will share it with you later. So the folder is called Real Egypt Tour Catalogs 2019-2020. So inside this folder there is other folders, subfolders. So the one we are talking about now is All Egypt Tours. So in All Egypt Tours, if you open, you'll find 5 programs. The ones I would like to start with is 4 programs: AE 8.1, 12.1, 10.1, and 15.1. So these are all including the Habiyas, and that's only a start. As soon as I find time, I will add some more tours here and in the website as well. So what we need to do now for in the beginning for Adele and Dalia is, when we have a request, try to shift your guest, if their time can fit within this itinerary, to these programs. And for Asma, you should get these quotations ready-made. So use the ready-made quotations I designed, not the one you are using now for tailor-made tours. There is one design for ready-made tours, and feel free to to sit with me and review that together. And I added right here ready-made tours quotes, and I added the 4 itinerary for Asma to quotes from 1 to 10 people, and keep the quotation file in the same folder where the tours catalog, for example, right here. So when Asma finished her quotes, I'll expect that there is for these 4 itineraries, there is 4 spreadsheets. Each one has the same number, the same title, and have the quote. So for Adele and Dalia, that should be our main reference for any ready-made tours from now on. If you find these numbers, which is possible, these numbers repeated in any other folder, delete it. If you found these tours numbers in any other folder, in Real Egypt or even the Habiyah Night Sailing, delete it. So because we need to have only one source for every tour. So also I created a PDF for each one of these itineraries. If you click the PDF, so you will find each tour in the PDF format. That is for Real Egypt, and I did the same also for the Habiyah Night Sailing. There is the Habiyah Night Sailing folder, and there is the tours. When you go inside for the tours, you will find PDF. And inside the PDF in All Egypt Tour programs, you will find the PDF. So before, they used to have the Word documents, but I found that it would be confusing having the same itinerary twice in 2 different folders, and that's why I deleted that from the Habiyah Night Sailing. I kept only the PDF. But if you are looking for the Word format, you will go for Real Egypt, which have the source in tour catalogs. You will find the Word format, and you will find the PDF format. The difference between the PDF format here and then the Habiyah Night Sailing, this one is made using the templates of Real Egypt, while the other one is made using the templates of the Habiyah Night Sailing. Here it's Real Egypt logo, while the other one in the Habiyah Night Sailing, if we open it, it will have the Habiyah Night Sailing program. So I think that's all. Yes, that's all I want to say, and hopefully I can find time to add more tools here in this folder and on the website as well. But for requests, you have try as much as you can gently to shift the people to the ready images already, because that will solve the process of quoting, and uh, and even the operation process, it will be already very much the same. So I make sure that I don't add any recommendation for hotels in these tools to have flexibility, and we can send separate the recommendation for the